today we're gonna draw turkeys, the 3-marker challenge. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so that's why we're gonna draw turkeys. So basically, we're gonna use this Rubik's Cube. This is our version. Okay, close your eyes, Mom.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna scramble it. Alright, and then she picks a row.
Okay.
Okay, we have to do it again because there's 2 yellows.
Okay.
Really want to stretch your vocal abilities.
Alright, pick a row. No, here. Okay, so Mommy got, open her eyes, Mommy got orange, black, and green. Alright, I'm going to get, close my eyes, scramble it up.
All right.
Put your hair like hers. People know you're an individual and you don't care what they think.
Okay. Okay. So Jenna has yellow, blue, and red.
Alright, that's good.
And now
Cranberry colors, right? Alright, so yeah, we're gonna draw our turkeys. Okay, you guys might not see, so I'll just back up my sketch a little bit so you guys can kind of see it. Nobody can see it.
It's okay. We'll show them when we're done. Quick.
That'll be good. Guys, I'll be right back. I just need to do something a little important. I'm taking over Jenna. I'm better than her because I'm funnier. Anyway, I'm Hazel.
Oh, hi Hazel. What are you doing here? Where'd Jenna go?
Yeah, Jenna told me to take over her because she's sick. She threw up in the bathroom.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. Well, you need to help finish. If she's not finished, we're drawing turkeys.
So I just eat the nachos. What color is the beet? Yellow. Yeah. Dude! Why are you eating my steak and nachos?
Hazel,
Man.
these are my nachos. You just got them out of my cupboard.
No, it's my nachos now because I play them with video games.
that does not mean they're yours. You need to respect other people's homes and houses. Please watch your crumbs.
I don't care.
Okay, Hazel, I know you don't care. Let's finish drawing our turkeys here, okay?
See, Jenna. Jenna's definitely not gonna win.
You can do that.
That is so hilarious. So, well, I'm just gonna go check on Jenna. Jenna is probably feeling better.
Okay, Hazel, what did you do to her picture? Oh no. Hazel, jeez.
Hazel!
Jenna, I know. I don't know why he did that.
This
I
is
don't
not
know what kind of friend that is. No
funny.
respect whatsoever.
This is terrible.
I know. I'm sorry. But he ate my chips out of the cupboard and then told me, you got mad at me for eating my own chips. So, I'm glad you're back now. I hope you're feeling better.
I wasn't even throwing up. I wasn't. What do you mean I'm not feeling better?
Well, Hazel said that you were throwing up. And,
I wasn't throwing up.
but Hazel. All right. Do you think you can fix your turkey up a little bit so we can finish our contest? You might still win.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Stupid Hazel. She's so mean. Hazel the tomboy, he's funny, but can sometimes be naughty. You need to spank him. He's good.
Alright, are you ready to show our turkeys?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Okay. So, if you guys want to vote in the comments, right? In the comments? Vote which turkey is the best.
And whoever gets the best, and then if you vote, then one of us will get these coins.
So this is Mom's turkey.
And this is mine. That's a bad turkey, which it wasn't my
This
fault.
is Jenna and Hazel's
Yeah,
turkey.
I guess Hazel and me work together.
So yes, if you can vote in the comments which one you like the best, then we will have our punishments and our rewards for winner and loser here.
So, alright, so I hope you enjoy this video. Bye!